Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. Understood children? Sit in a place. Sit. Stand. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, 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 jump, stop. Okay children, sit in your places. Children, previous class what you learned in multiplication? How to multiply the numbers to 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number. Yes. Today, doubling the numbers. Example 6.3. How to doubling the numbers you should learn. Okay. See, 5. 5 if you double means, see 5. Double if you do means what will come? 5 into 2. Double means what? 2 times you should add. Yes. 5 into 2. 5 into 2, 10 will come. Yes. What you are doing? You are adding 5 plus 5. Yes. Now, 3. 2 times if you do means, what is the, which number will come? 6. Yes. 10 into 2. 10, 2 times if you add, 20. What you are doing here? You are doubling the numbers here. As see 53 into 2. As doubling the numbers. 53. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. What is that answer? 106 is the answer. If you double, if you do means like this you will come. Understood children? Doubling the numbers means what? See, doubling a number means multiplying by 2. Doubling number means what? Multiplying by 2. Understood? Let us know, understand the doubling the 2-digit numbers mentally through few examples. I said na, these are example of doubling 2. Understood? Doubling the number means what? Multiply by 2. Understood children? Now, take out your workbook ma. Everyone take out your workbook. In the workbook, recall. See, multiple choice question. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 means which number will come? 5 2s are. 5 2s are 10. Where it is that option? C. Option C is correct. Next. 4 2s are. 4 2s are 8. Where it is? Option D. Option D is correct. See, 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. S 5 2s are 10. Yes or no? Now 6 2s are 12. Where it is? B. Option B. Understood, children? What you are doing here? You are multiplying in 2. See, fourth one. 21 into 2. 21 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 42. Where it is 42? C. Option C. Yes. Option C is the correct answer. Next, fifth one. 40 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fours are 8. 80. Where it is? D. Option D. Understood? Next, sixth one. 50 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. What is that answer? 100. Where it is 100? Option B. Understood, children? Now, fill in the blanks. Children, fill in the blanks. Seventh one. See, the number 50 is double of 50 plus 50. 100. Yes. 100. Eighth one. 80 is double of 80 plus 80. 160. See, 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 8. 8 in the mind, take 8 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 160. Okay. Next. 70. See, that the number 70 is double of 70 plus 70. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 7, 14. 114. 140 is the answer. 10th one. What is the question? Double the number 20. 20, if you double the number, which number will get? 20 plus 20. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 40. Understood, children? Next, 11th one. Double the number 60. 60 plus 60. 6 plus 6. 6 in a mind, take 6 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 120. Okay. 12th one. What is the 12th one? Number. Double the number 30. 30 plus 30. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 3. 3 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6. 60. Understood? Next, 13th one. Double the number mentally. See, what are the numbers they given? 38. A1. 38. 38, if you double the number, what will get? 8 plus 8. 8 in the mind, take 8 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 6 here, 1 carry forward. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 76 is the answer. B1. What is the question? 24. Double that 24 means what? 24 plus 24. 4 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 2 after. 3, 4. 48. Understood? Next. 14th one. What is that 14th one? Double the number mentally. 42. 42 double means 42 plus 42. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 84. B1. What is that? 18. 18 if you double. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 36. 15th one. Double the given numbers mentally. See, what is given? 45 they given. As 45 double means what? 45 plus 45. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry forward. 4 plus 4, 4 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, take 1 finger. 8 after 9. 90. Next, 64. 64 if you double. 64 plus 64. 4 plus 4. 4 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 128. Okay. 16th one. What is that 16th one? 71. 71 double off. 71 plus 71. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 in the mind, takes 7 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. A1. What is that? 142 is the answer. Yes. Next. 59 double off. 59 double off means what? 59 plus 59. 59 plus 59. 9 in the mind. Take 9 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 8 here, 1 carry forward. 5 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind, take 1 finger. 10 after 11. What is that answer? 118 is the answer. Understood, children? Application. What is that application they given? See once. Nisha. Wait. See, 17th one. Nisha scored 45 marks in maths. Her score in science is double of that in maths. How many marks did Nisha score in science? See, Nisha scored 45 marks. Okay, in maths. Her score is science is double of that in maths. Understood? How many marks did Nisha score in science? Solution. Double of 45 is, see, double of 45 means what? 45 plus 45. Yes, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 90 is the, she scored in 90. What? In the science. Therefore, Nisha scored 90 marks in science. Understood, children? See, 18th one. There are 26 pens in a pocket. Another pocket has double the number of pens. How many pens are there in the second pocket? See, 18th one. Solution. See, double of 26 is, see, double of 26 means what? 26 plus 26. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 52. 26 double of means what? 52. Now, therefore, the other pocket has 52 pence. Understood? Children, 19th one. See, there are 40 apartments and 23 independent houses in city A. In another city B, there are double the number of apartments and independent houses than in city A. How many apartments and houses are there in city B? See, 19th one. Double of 40 and 23 is, see, 40. 40 means what? 40 plus 40, 80. Yes, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 4, 8, 80. And 23 plus 23, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 46. Yes, respectively. Therefore, there are 80 apartments and 46 houses in city B. Okay. Next, 20th one. What is the 20th one? See, a book has 36 chapters in part 1 and double the number of chapters in part 2. How many chapters are there in the part 2 of the book? See, 20. Double of 36 is 72. See, 36 plus 36. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 72 is the, therefore, there are 72 chapters in part 2 of the book. Understood, children? Copy fast. Next, see, higher order thinking skills. First, 21. What is that? Double the given number. The given number. What is that number they given? 470 they given. Yes. Double. If you do double, 470. See, 570 plus 570. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 7. 7 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 here, 1 carry forward. 5 plus 5. 5 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. What is that answer? 1140. Understood? Next, 22nd one. A1. What is that? 172. Double of means what? 172 plus 172. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 7. 7 in the mind, take 7 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. What is that answer? 344 is the answer. Next B. What is that B1? 530. 530 plus 530. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 5, 10. What is that answer? 1060 is the answer. Understood, children? Copy fast.